Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to sign up for Medicare Part D. First, you will learn about the various enrollment periods, ensuring you know exactly when to act. Next, we will explore the different types of prescription drug plans available, helping you understand your options. Then, I will show you how to effectively compare plans based on your specific medication requirements. Finally, you will discover the best resources for official enrollment assistance, making the process straightforward and stress-free. To be eligible for Medicare Part D, you must first be enrolled in either Medicare Part A or Part B. The initial enrollment period is a crucial 7-month window, beginning 3 months before your 65th birthday, including your birthday month, and extending 3 months after. Additionally, special enrollment periods are available for specific life changes. Remember, the annual enrollment period, a key time for changes, occurs every year from October 15th through December 7th. Selecting the right Part D plan is essential for managing your prescription costs. Begin by comparing plans based on your current medications, ensuring they are covered. Always check the plan's formulary, which is its list of covered drugs, to confirm your specific prescriptions are included. Carefully consider the monthly premium, the annual deductible, and any copayments or coinsurance you might owe. Also, evaluate the network of pharmacies to ensure your preferred pharmacy is in network. Once you have chosen a plan, enrolling in Medicare Part D is straightforward. You can enroll directly through the private insurance company offering your selected plan. Alternatively, utilize the official Medicare website, which provides tools to compare plans and complete your enrollment online. For personalized assistance, do not hesitate to contact Medicare directly. Typically, your new prescription drug coverage will begin on the first day of the month following your enrollment application.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.